All right, so this is my scalp brush. I use this mainly because I was dealing with dandruff and it was so flaky that I had to get this to remove the flakes. You can use this wet or dry. I use this pretty much when it's wet and I am shampooing my hair. It's about 2 inches in diameter, and as you can see, it has silicone bristles, so it's very soft yet effective. On this side, you see there's a little stump here, and this is where you can put your fingers and hold on to the brush correctly. And you simply just put it to your scalp and do a circular motion. This stimulates your scalp. It also gets rid of that dandruff that I was speaking of. And it also feels great. When you're done, just simply rinse off your brush and store it in a dry place.